What is up? Good morning. Just about to make some eggs for Brittany and I. It's some pretty good stuff. Pretty sunny outside today. Got a doctor's appointment today. They're gonna tell us what the baby is. Well, they're gonna write it down for us, and then we're gonna have one of those parties. Yeah, it should be fun. Gotta go out and start the dumb car early. Let it run. That's what happens when the injectors go bad. And 54 problems. Oh, and my key sometimes doesn't work. It's a nice car, I love it. Very nice. Love it. Made it to work. Got me some Starbucks. Do a little typey type. Do a little snappy snap. And go home. Head out. Drop the Z3 off. Drop it off at the auction. Make it easy on ourselves. It's a nice day to drive around a little bit. 01 3.0. If it was Manuel, I'd be buying it, but on the road again. I'm so happy to be on the road again. In a BMW every time again. Alright, anyway. Best part of these Z3s is it's the most perfect seating position. Finally finished up work. Time to wash the wagon real quick. Let's see how bad she chucks this time. Not too bad. Still nasty, but better than it was.
Okay, we're live.
Yo, so you said you think it's a boy because you think you saw a pee-pee?
Yeah, no, I think it's a girl. What do you think
now?
it is?
I
Yeah.
don't know, I think it's a girl.
Stay tuned to find out. Sitting in traffic here. Would not recommend it. Alright, this is heavy. I'm gonna be done.